Ford has slashed the price of the Mustang Mach-E amid growing EV price war. The price wars are here.
Yeah.
The Clone Wars. That's your thing, right?
I do like it.
Yeah, so you were the Star Wars guy with the Clone Wars. Uh-huh. But that's got nothing on the price wars.
No. This one is more important.
Well, listen.
It deals with real life.
Well, hey man, don't disturb people's fantasies, all right? Okay, well, don't tell them what's more real.
Right.
People
I apologize.
Have their fantasies.
Star Wars.
Well, whatever it is. Ford slashes the price of the Mustang. You have to. Tesla's crazy. You probably didn't put this link in here. Maybe we'll talk about it tomorrow. But talking about how they've got 2 of the top 10 selling cars on the planet now. Tesla.
Yeah.
Why? You don't have that in here. That's coming tomorrow, right? Y and 3, and it's just like, whoa, the scale of these things. The adoption is happening rapidly. And other manufacturers have to adjust to essentially the market leader. And you want to drop your price, I guess we got to drop our price. I mean, you are who we are competing against. And I guess probably with the Mach-E, you're mostly looking at Model Y buyers, I would guess. They're going to cross-shop.
Yeah.
A Mach-E is kind of
SUV.
Somewhat similar.
Line.
Ford announced today is slashing prices across all trims of its popular Mustang Mach-E electric SUV. We reported that we saw Tesla's massive price cuts earlier this month, yes, and we saw the effect on the used market as well. Obviously, we have interest rates increasing as well, which is just making things less affordable in general. The Model Y saw the biggest price reduction in Tesla's lineup. Yeah, I mean, it was like, in some cases, up to $12,000. I mean, crazy. Oh, no, I think, well, the S that I have was a bigger drop, but percentage-based drop. I think the Y.
Yeah.
Saw the biggest. These price cuts from Ford are not as significant as what Tesla did. So here are the examples. The base model rear-wheel drive version got a $900 cut, $900 better than it was. And the highest extended range model got a $5,900 cut. So again, now you got people going in, banging on the door saying, I just got my delivery. Where's my $5,900? What's interesting is there no extended range GT? The only GT is a standard range? Curious. Or did it not get a price cut if it did exist? The extended range, where the top tier model was originally just under $70,000, it's down to $64,000 now. So that's your biggest decrease. And there's some other price drops for different like accessories. Just adding the extended range battery is kind of a big price drop from $8,600 to $7,000 as an option. The Night Pony appearance package stays the same, and the GT performance package stays the same at $6,000 a pop. So you can still spec that thing out, and then your percentage-based decrease in pricing goes down even more, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, listen.
I would say when I was picking up my Bronco at the dealership, the black premium standard range GT looks really nice.
Is that what surprisingly. You can't get another car, Will. You got too many cars, sir.
I was just thinking.
You got a problem here.
But they rolled it up and I was like, wow, that is primo.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I mean, people got all upset about the Mustang name on it. But in reality, like, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Like, it just straight up is pretty nice. If you look past whatever your irritation is on the name and whatnot,
yeah,
it's pretty nice.